I hope you're all safe and keeping well. As you would have read the title and have come here to know the difference between dish and DIR, and similarly MICH and MIR. What is the exact difference between the two? Where do we use MICH? Where do we use MIR? Where do we use dish and DIR? Could they be substituted, and are the meanings same? All these kind of questions are the questions that are probably asked by each and every German learner. So today I'll be clearing your doubts regarding this. So please don't skip the video and watch the video till the end, because I'll be telling a lot of things that will help you. And so the name of the topic is Personal Pronomen, and this MICH, MIR, DICH, DIR thing comes under this topic only. Personal pronomen are personal pronouns in English. And unlike English, in German, we are having nominative, accusative, and dative thing again. So this nominative, accusative, dative thing is within each and every chapter, within each and every topic in German. So this thing will never leave you. Let me draw the table of it so to have a clearer view. So I, you, he, she, it, we, you all, they, you all again is all the personal pronouns that we are having here that I've written. So this H2 eresi falls into the category of nominative. As of now, I'm only telling you the table. Next thing that I'll tell you is how to learn it. And third thing that I'll tell you is how to apply it. So I'm forming the table. You can have a look. So basically this is the table, and every teacher will tell you to learn it or by heart it. But I'm not telling you that. I'm explaining you how to learn, not actually learn, but to remember this table. So first thing that we have is what is accusative and dative. Always remember that these are objects. Okay? And nominative is the subject. So whenever I have a sentence like I am driving a car, I am cooking food, I am meeting my friend, I is the subject. That means I is the doer. Whosoever is the doer is nominative. And the other thing, like I am driving a car, car is an object. Okay, I am eating food, food is an object. I am meeting my friend in this case is an object. So hence you have to identify if in a sentence I is nominative, so you'll use H2 eresi table, and if I becomes me, then it would be either MICH or MIR. For example, she is meeting me. She is the doer and she is meeting me. Me, the word, is basically the subject. So either in German it would be MICH or it will be MIR. If I give you more examples, they are giving us the invitation. They will be nominative. They are giving us. Us will be either accusative or dative, which is anyways the same, uns. These were some light on the examples that we have. Now I am basically telling you how to learn this table, how to memorize this table. I'm telling you a trick, and by that trick you can remember it really well. You only have to learn ish and do, and that's it. Everything else is easy. So if you can learn ish and do, you can learn the whole table. How? So ish becomes just M is added in accusative and it becomes MICH. Do is similar, dish. Ish, MICH in accusative, do, dish in accusative. In dative also it's kind of same, MIR, DIR. So ish, MICH, MIR, do, dish, DIR. Let's leave AR as Z for a while and move forward. For we are having uns that are similar. Similarly, for here we have oish, that is also similar. We have no difference at all. We are leaving Z and Z also for a while. So up till now, it's really very clear and easy to remember ish, mish, mia, do, dish, dia. Wir is same uns, and for ear it's oish. Learning R, Z, S and ZZ is not a very big task. I'm showing you a table. Let's see. So now you can see this table that I've drawn in front of you, which is basically a bestimmt article table, the definite article table. Der, die, das. In Akkusativ we have den, die, das, and in Dativ we have dem, der, dem, which is basically masculine, feminine, and neutral. Let's see nominative here and nominative here. We are having der for masculine, die for feminine, das for neutral. Similarly, we are having here er, sie, es, which is for masculine, feminine, and neutral respectively. Let's move over to Akkusativ. What is happening in Akkusativ is der is becoming den with an ending n, and the rest two are same. Die, die, das, das. Similarly, in Akkusativ table also, er is becoming in with the ending n, and z, s are same. No changes at all. Let's go to Dativ. Dativ is becoming dem with an ending m. Hence, an ending m, im. Here it is becoming der. Feminine is becoming der. It is changing. Hence, here also, iha, which is an ending r. Here it is becoming dem, again an ending m. Hence, here also it is becoming im. And if we consider the last one, we know that for plural, we have die, and den. Similarly, we are having zizi, zizi. Nominative and accusative are same. And in dative, we are having ihnen and ihnen. Not exactly same, but yes, you can take out a difference between these two tables. Isn't the comparison really easy? What is happening here in bestimmt article table is also happening in personal pronoun table. I hope this thing have helped you learning the personal pronoun table now. You know now every word that is coming from, where is it coming from, and why is it written. This was the explanation to the table. Now let me explain you how you have to get the difference between MICH or MIR. Like where do you have to write the accusative table, which is MICH, DICH, in, s, z, and so on, and where you have to write the dative form of it, which is MIR, DIR, in, ear, year, and so on. Let's see some examples for that. I have written few examples in English that I'll be writing in German now. So, it is really important for us to know what is nominative in each and every sentence. Let's do it one by one. I know you. What is nominative? Like who's the doer? When I ask you like what is nominative, you always have to remember like who's the doer? What's the subject? Doer, subject, nominative, all of these three things are same. Yeah. So I know you. I am the subject, which is nominative. You help me. So you are helping me. You is the subject. She meets me. She is the subject. Tobias congratulated her. Tobias is the subject. And they visit us. They is the subject. Now I have to find out what the object is. Let's see. I know you. You is the object. Because you is the person who is who is being known. In the second one, you help me. Me is the person who's being helped, right? So me is the object here. She meets me. Me again is the object. Tobias congratulated her. Her is the object. And they visit us. Us is the object. Now we know what is nominative and what is the object. Now, as I told you, object could be either accusative or could be dative, right? So nominative, the things that I've marked in nominative again for this nominative thing. So for the things that I've marked nominative, of course, I'll be following this very table. And for the objects that I have, I'll be following either accusative or dative. I'll tell you what to write. So I know you. Ich, it will not be mich, it will not be Mia. I hope you know that why. Because I is nominative. It's the subject. So it will follow the nominative table, which is this table, and not the object table. So ich kenne something, dich or dir, because I know you, right? So I know you, either it will be dich or it will be dir. How would we know that? We will be knowing that by the verb. If the verb is accusative verb, then an accusative object will come in. If a verb will be a dative verb, then a dative object will come in. So in this case, kennen is to know is an accusative verb. Hence, we will be writing dich, accusative object, and not dir, because dir is dative. So if I'll be having a dative verb, only then I have to write dative. If I'll be having an accusative verb, I have to write accusative. Let's move on to the next one. You help me. So Sie helfen. Helfen is a dative verb. So now this time it will be mir. Sie helfen mir. No mich. Why? Because mich is accusative and helfen is a dative verb. So hence we'll be writing dative. She meets me. Sie trifft. Guess mich or mir. Sie trifft. You tell me, mich or mir? Think, think, think. Treffen is an accusative verb, hence we'll be writing mich. Sie trifft mich. She meets me. Next, Tobias congratulated her. Tobias gratuliert. Gratulieren is to congratulate, and that is a dative verb. So, her, that means this category. Her is dative, hence we'll be writing her. Tobias gratuliert her will come. Then we have they visit us. Sie besuchen. Now, besuchen is an accusative verb, hence we will write accusative object, which is uns. But anyways, if we see the table, it is anyways the same. Uns, if you write in accusative or if you write in dative, both are same. But you must know that yes, it's an accusative object. I hope with the help of these examples that I've shared and the tips and tricks that I've shared to learn personal pronoun table, this concept of mich, mir and dich, dir is much clearer, and now you can use and basically identify which is the most appropriate answer. If you have understood it, I want you to write 2 sentences below in the comment section, one with accusative and one with dative maybe. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, because my hobby is to make such videos and make German grammar easier for you. See you next time. Cheers!